Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be making mango pickles. So let's get to it. So the ingredients are Perilla leaves, mangoes, peppers, cherry tomatoes, a small purple onion, and lime. Now we're going to dice our mangoes. Now we're going to peel off the skin of the mangoes and then we're going to dice them. Now take about 10 Perilla leaves and slice them very small. Now dice your purple onion. Now dice your cherry tomatoes. Cut a lime in half. Now take any kind of pepper, for example like green or red, and slice them in half. Now we're going to dice our peppers. Now get one regular sized jalapeno or two smaller sized jalapenos and start dicing. While you're dicing, try to take out the seeds that are inside. Now we're going to pick the leaves off the cilantro, but this part is also optional. Add all your items to a bowl and mix. Now add a cup of water. Now half a cup of soy sauce. Half a cup of brown sugar. Now squeeze the juice of one whole lime. Mix well. On a plate, add a bowl of rice, runny yolk egg, your mango pickles, sesame seeds, and you're done. Well, this is the end. This is the result. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe, like, enjoy, and we'll see you guys next time.